beautiful people. Today we are going to stretch our spine, our thighs, calves, and toes. We are also going to do a lot of breathing, so we're going to focus on expanding our lungs and building that lung capacity. Let's start off by planting our palms onto the mat, shoulder width apart, knees hip width apart, toes untucked. And feel your body heavy on the mat. Bring awareness to your hips and move them side to side, side to side. Bring awareness to your arms and shift forward and back while being mindful of your wrists. Feel your way through it and do what feels right for your body. Inhale, lift the chest and chin up towards the sky. Roll the shoulders back and down, lengthen the spine. Exhale, round the back, pulling belly in toward the spine and tuck the chin towards the chest. Repeat if this feels right. When you are ready, bring awareness to your hips. Send your hips backwards to touch your heels into child's pose. Extend your arms forward or gently place them by your sides. Breathe into the stretch. Feel that stretch in your lower back. Send the air into your belly. Feel your belly rise and fall, rise and fall. Bring awareness to the rest of your body, your lungs, your forehead, your hands, your feet. Thank your body. Thank your body by expanding your lungs, sending oxygen to the rest of your body, to your muscles, to your brain. Our bodies work hard for us, and this is what we need to do for our body. Continue to inhale and exhale. Now, plant your hands on the mat. Shift your weight into your palms as you lift your hips off the mat and into downward dog. Extend your spine. Lengthen your arms. Bend your knees if you need to. Breathe into this position. Feel your belly expanding. Exhale. Inhale. At your own pace. Bend your knees to touch the mat. Untuck your toes. Send your hips backwards to touch your heels into child's pose. Extend your arms forward or gently place them by your sides. Breathe into the stretch. If you have a fuller body shape and your belly needs space to expand, feel free to open your legs and create space between your thighs for your belly to expand. Now, plant your hands on the mat. As you shift your hips forward, bring your body into tabletop on all fours. Tuck your toes. Shift your weight into your palms as you lift your hips off the mat and back into downward dog. Extend your spine. Lengthen your arms. Bend your knees if you need to. Breathe into this position. Send the air into your belly. Feel it expanding. Exhale. Inhale. At your own pace. Continue to inhale and exhale. Now, lengthen your legs and push through your toes as you send your body forward as we transition into upward dog. Chest forward and up. Look up. Send your hips backwards into downward dog again. Continue to inhale and exhale. Move back and forth smoothly from downward dog to upward dog. Downward dog to upward dog. Use your arms to sit up. You have the option to stay seated in this position. If it is uncomfortable, find a comfortable seated position. Bring your palms to your chest as palms touch in prayer. Exhale. We are going to spend a few minutes speaking to ourselves, so repeat this to yourself. My body, I love you. I love my feet. They walk around everywhere. Soles of the feet to the earth's surface, working hard for me, getting me from point A to point B to point C and back home. Thank you, feet. I thank my legs, the muscles in my legs. I thank you for stretching and strengthening in order to get me from point A to point B to point C and back home again. I thank my knees for bending, and I promise to protect you, to not overwork you, but to also work you in a healthy way, because you need movement. My thighs need movement. I thank my hips. Thank you, hips, for holding my legs together, for holding my upper body together, for connecting the two. I thank you. Our hips store emotional energy. Thank you, hips, for feeling all the emotions, for also releasing those emotions. I promise you, as I move my hips, I will help you release every emotion that doesn't serve my body. Thank you, belly. Thank you, organs. Thank you, ribs, for protecting my heart and my lungs. Thank you, lungs, for working without my knowledge. I promise to bring awareness and help you expand and retract, consciously breathing. Thank you, heart, for beating. Thank you, arms, for stretching. Hands, for being able to move and put food into my body. These little ways that I take for granted, I promise to be grateful to you. Thank you, eyes, for leading me throughout the day. I am grateful for being able to see. I am grateful for the health of my eyes, and I will make sure that they continue to be healthy. And as I inhale and exhale, I promise to feed my mind oxygen to help me de-stress. Conscious breathing expands my mind, helps with memory, helps with patience. I promise to not overwork you and to give you conscious breath. Thank you, everyone, for meeting me here this morning. It was an honor to be able to practice with you today, and I will see you on the mat next time. With warmth and gratitude.